What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about Charttime. Alright, so today's topic is Charttime, and recently I've sent out an email about Charttime and about why I think way too many people spend way too much time staring at the charts without getting better. They are not profitable traders, and still every day they spend hours watching the charts, drawing lines and all these type of things. And the question at that stage that you really have to ask yourself is this making me a better trader? Is this the best way to improve right now? Because that's essentially what you want to do if you're not a profitable trader. You want to think about, okay, how can I improve in the most efficient way the coming weeks, months, years to become the best trader I can be? That's what you need to think about, and staring at charts and drawing lines is most likely not the right way to get there. So that's really important to think about. Are you struggling? Are you not a profitable trader right now? Then stop looking at the charts every single day for hours. Something is wrong with what you're doing. Admit it to yourself and then figure out what's wrong with what you're doing. Is your strategy not structured enough? Are you struggling with emotions? Did you test everything? Did you journal everything? These are the questions that make you a better trader. If you spend 1 hour with your trading journal, you learn way more than from 10 hours of staring at a chart. So please stop staring at the fucking charts every day if you're not profitable, because you can do that for the next 5 years and you will still be a losing trader. I can guarantee it. But if you use Charttime in a structured way after answering those questions that I just asked you, so after answering where are my weak points, what am I struggling with, what am I doing wrong, what am I doing right, only after answering those questions and knowing the answers, then you can start implementing Charttime again. So how can you do Charttime in an efficient way? Because you need to do it structured. And I've spent a lot of time on a chart, but not showing up every day and drawing lines. I did it in a structured way. And how did I do that? I used it to gather statistics about my strategy, my approach, my concept. So as soon as you've learned concepts, start building it into a strategy. And last week's video about backtesting is going to help you with that. So if you haven't seen it already, please watch that video because it really helps you out. Next to that, so when you have built your rules and built your strategy, then you want to incorporate Charttime to backtest the strategy. Has it worked in the past? How well has it worked in the past? What can you improve? Are there other things to look out for? Those are the things you want to ask yourself when you're backtesting. And that's efficient Charttime. In my opinion, if you're not a profitable trader, the only efficient Charttime there is either when you're gathering statistics of your backtested strategy, or when you are live trading on a small account to test if your backtested strategy works real time. Other than that, just drawing random lines and being like, oh, this does look good, that's a nice zone. That really is a waste of time, especially in the beginning, especially when you're not profitable yet. Nowadays I do draw in some levels because I just like to see how the market reacts around those levels. But here's the key, I am a profitable trader already, guys. I'm not wasting significant time on drawing these levels. I have wasted most time backtesting my strategy. That's where I've spent the most Charttime, not showing up in the morning and drawing lines. So think for yourself, am I being efficient in what I'm doing every day? Because essentially becoming a profitable trader is step by step improving and learning from your mistakes. And you really have to think about, what can I do today to improve? And that's not staring at charts, that's staring at yourself and analyzing what you do right and you do wrong. So another thing I want to discuss about Charttime and those type of things. Yesterday on my Instagram account, well, at the time of recording, so it's been a while when you see this video, but I posted on my Instagram account questions I often get from people, such as, how can I make more money trading? How can I improve my win rate? How can I improve my risk to reward? These are all good questions, and the answers to all these questions are in your trading journal. Because of my trading journal, I know when I need to scale up on positions. Because of my trading journal, I know when I need to risk less. Because of my trading journal, I know when my stop can be tighter. Because of my trading journal, I know when I can run trades. Do you see the point there? If you have a backtested strategy and it works, and you're trading it on a small live account, and you keep a journal, after 50, 100 trades, all answers to these questions are inside your trading journal. So take the time to analyze it, because just if you look at the winning trades that you got, did they keep on running after you took profits? Yes or no? If they often do, how can you capture more of the move? Then you start investigating. If you notice that on your winning trades, the drawdown during a trade is only 50%, then you can decrease the stop loss size. There are so many things you can do, but all the answers are in the trading journal. And again, not in staring at charts, because the charts are not going to tell you if you should be doing this, doing that. It's in your journal. If you keep every trade in your trading journal shows you the statistics of what to improve, what to not improve. It shows you which days you perform best. I know Fridays are shit for me. So what do? I risk way less on a Friday. I wasn't born with this knowledge. It didn't fall on me. I tested, I journaled, I kept track of everything. And every day I spent 1, 2, 3 hours to improve. And after 1 year, you've done so much improvements, that you are becoming better and better and potentially a profitable trader. It's a step-by-step thing, guys. Like, for example, if you want more joy in your life, if you want to feel better about yourself, if you want to just be happy, don't think about how can I have the best life ever. Think about how can I make this the best day. And then tomorrow you make it another great day. And then the day after you make sure you have another great day. And all these days make sure you have a great life. So the point is, step by step, improve based on your journal, based on what you do right, based on what you do wrong. Step by step, guys. You don't have to do everything at once. I take on one project to improve my edge. Right now it's testing if I should be trading FOMC or if I shouldn't. And how did I come up with that? It's really simple. The last few months I noticed that trades that trigger over FOMC lose money. So I was like, okay, should I be trading this in the long run? Like, should I be trading FOMC in the future? So what do? I grab all the dates of FOMC over the past years. I take a look at my journal and my backtested results to see the performance on FOMC days. And right now I'm almost finished with the project, and I can see that over the long run it doesn't matter if it's FOMC or not. But I'm not born with this. Again, I'm not born with the knowledge. I'm investigating everything. If I see something in my journal like, okay, I'm losing more on FOMC lately, I'm not just sitting there and, oh yeah, okay. No, I'm going to investigate it. And that's when I'm finished with this project, I'm one step better. Because now I know during FOMC I don't have to make adjustments, and that's one step better. And then I'm on to the next project and I make it one step better. That's how I improve. That's how you can improve. So please stop staring at the charts every day if you're not profitable. only stare at the charts if it's in a structured way. So gathering statistics, backtesting, taking a look at your journal, or trading your strategy that you have tested on a small live account. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have questions, let me know. I'm here to help, and then I'll see you in the next video.